Hi, my name is Charlene Jo. Every day I put down some sort of to-do list, and that'll be to track my tasks for the day. I have also added a little box. These can be used to write down events or appointments that are happening. I always make sure I put down a weekend planner to separate the weekend from the rest of the week. And I have a little habit tracker sticker here. These can be used for tracking vitamins, for tracking exercise, sleep, etc. And I will go ahead and fill out one of the to-do lists so that you can see what type of tasks. Or you can see an example of what it looks like. So let's see, today, on this day, I will do a daily devotional. I will try to exercise. Read a book. Your planner can be as functional or as decorative as you need it. I personally use a mix of both.